So for those who live in a city like myself, the way to go, it only cost me like a few bucks off of Amazon. It's just a stick-on reflector. It doesn't hyper flash. I'm not trying to go for that, that light bar they have from China that some people have. It goes from here to here and it's like red here and then clear here. I'm not going for that look. I'm just going for a clean, simple look. It only costs a few dollars. This generation TSX has something like this. So I was always wondering, like, how can I incorporate this on my car? Because I was thinking about putting here, but it doesn't make sense. But then when you have the A spec, you have this groove right here, and it actually fit. Clean, look far away. Takes a while to get used to, but the reason why I get it because I don't have any like red tail lights, only when you step on the brakes. So I want to have something red that reflects when cars behind you, the headlights are on. But for now, I'll just leave it like this, nice and clean. I'll send the link. I'll leave the link in the description box if you want to buy it. Doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. That's the setup. Thanks for watching.